Hey Costmaster app users, today I'm going to show you how to add items to your inventory list so that you can use them later for baking recipes. So here we are. This is our Costmaster app. So we'll go straight away to the inventory. We'll have those boxes there. So I already have some few items in the inventory, but now we're going to add something. I'm going to show you how to add something new. So we go to this plus icon there, then item description. Item description is like the name of the item and how you can describe it in short. For example, if we're going to go with the goat's meat, and the item category is how you categorize your items, inventory items. For example, goat's meat kind of meats. Then the pack size, how is it packed when you buy it? For example, if you're buying a whole goat, you can say a whole goat. Okay. And then the purchase unit, these are the units in which the kitchen units in which you used to buy the goat's meat. For example, the goat's meat, you can buy it in kgs, though it's whole, but they didn't measure it. You can buy it maybe in kgs. So then we go to the next is gross purchase price. Gross purchase price is the amount that you buy per kg or per purchase unit. So for example, if you buy using Ugandan currency, shillings, if you're buying it in 16,000 per kilo, okay, that means you buy 16,000 per kilo, shillings per kilo. Then here include VAT. This applies if you include VAT. When you're buying some stuff, for example, you may include some taxes, some sales taxes that you need to deduct not to come to the net purchase price. But for example, here in Uganda, we don't include tax VAT on meats. So in case you do, you just tap there and you put the percentage of which the tax is added on the tax, the amount. So I'll go ahead and remove that. So then the recipe unit, this is the unit that we use when this is the simplest unit that we used for measuring in the kitchen. For example, there are usually 3 units that are recognizable worldwide. That is grams, mils, and each. Well, if you have other units that you will want to use, then you have to configure in the settings. So being this that we buy it in kgs, so it is reasonable to buy it to measure it in the kitchen using grams. So then next is recipe unit per purchase unit. How many recipe units are in the purchase unit? In this scenario, how many grams are in 1 kg, the kg used for the purchase unit? So it is typically 1,000 grams in a kg. So it shows you that the unit cost will be 16 shillings per gram. That is your unit cost. And then yield percentage. This is the if you need a reminder, it is here. The yield percentage is the percentage of the item that is usable after processing. For example, if you buy a whole goat at 100 kilograms, and after processing, you have 50 of the usable meat. The yield percentage is 50%. So this is the percentage of what is left after you processing, after you butchering, after you removing offcuts that are not going to be used elsewhere in the kitchen. So For example, if we see goat usually has if we bought it whole, we're going to have some trimmings on it, remove some meats that are some parts of it that are not going to be used in the kitchen, and also there's some, if you boil it, it shrinks. So you do that measurement, and you see aside, you do that measurement aside, and you see how much of a kg is left after me processing it to the last final product. So let me take an instance that if our goat is around 75 yield percentage, that means that now our recipe unit cost will change to 21.33 per grams. So you go ahead and save that. We have our summary here showing you the details you've entered, and then you have to confirm to save. When you confirm to save, just like that, our item is reflected in the inventory. I hope that was clear. Thank you so much.